Hello everyone! Welcome to Use the Wings engine. This tutorial mainly introduces how to set data conditions. In the project, we often need to use colors, shapes, size, position, animation, or display and hiding, etc. to reflect the state and changes of data. And the state and changes, which are data conditions. Data conditions are generally used in data filtering, style state switching, and component interaction. For these scenarios, we will introduce in separate tutorials. We will introduce them in detail. Here we mainly demonstrate set up data conditions. Let's open a sample project first. In this project, we use two images to reflect the running status of 2 units. Click the preview button in the upper right corner. Play in full screen. Let's open the data. In the data, 0 means the machine stops working. 1 means the machine is working normally. 2 means the machine is abnormal. Let's first look at the changes on the big screen after data modification. When the data is 0, the picture stops rotating, indicating that the machine has stopped working. When the data is 1, the picture starts to rotate, indicating that the machine is working normally. When the data is 2, the picture turns into an alarm picture, indicating that the machine is abnormal. As long as one machine has an abnormality, the text of the title also changes color to reflect this anomaly. We also change Uni 2 to abnormal state. Let's observe the changes in the images and text. Finally, we return to the initial normal state. Let's take a look at these data states. What the corresponding data conditions are. Click Data Conditions in the Data menu to open the Data Conditions Settings window. The left side of the window is the condition list, and the right side is the settings for each condition. Click Add Condition above to add a new condition. On the right, we can set the conditions. Here we can modify the condition name. for easy identification. Click New Group. We can create a new condition group. We can create multiple conditions within the group. If there is only one group, there is no need to create a new group. For condition settings, there are usually and or logical relationships, or the relationship of and or, corresponding to the settings here. The relationship between groups is OR. The conditions within a group are AND relationships. Conditions are set on fields. We need to select the data table first. Then select the fields in the table, or set the row number of the data table. Then you can choose the judgment method. You can set it according to the number of data. The operation conditions include equal to, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, include, exclude, empty, not empty. Finally, we fill in the corresponding values. Click here to delete each row condition. When all conditions in the group are deleted, the group will be automatically deleted. After creating the conditions, you must click OK to save the settings. Click Delete in the left condition list. You can also delete the entire condition. Let's take a look at this again. The conditions set in the project. This project has a total of 7 conditions. Among them, 3 conditions for Unit 1 and 3 for Unit 2 are corresponding, which are shutdowns, startups, and anomalies respectively. The last abnormal condition reflects that at least one machine is abnormal. Take the shutdown condition as an example. We can see that here is set that when the machine number in sheet 1 is equal to 1, which means the machine number is 11. And the machine status is equal to 0. At this time, we consider it as a shutdown state. The startup condition and the abnormal condition are similar. The difference is that the machine status is 1 or 2. The difference between the conditions of machine number 2 is that the condition value of the machine number is 2. Finally, let's look at the machine abnormal condition. In this condition, we need to detect whether machine number 1, the second machine, has an anomaly. So we need to have two groups. The first group detects the anomalies of the first machine, and the second group detects the anomaly of the second machine. The two groups are in an or relationship. In this way, we can simultaneously detect the status of these two units. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you all